Hi, I'm Aaron and I'm in the kitchen, and today I am making Oreo rolls. So I have made sweet rolls so many times on the channel. I will link how I make my dough down below. It's my strawberry Biscoff sweet rolls recipe. If you have not tried that recipe, you should definitely try it. But we're gonna go ahead and start off with our beautiful dough. It has risen about 2 hours now. Just going to go ahead and put it on my baking mat, and I have a vegetable oil, a neutral vegetable oil already down on my baking mat. I love the baking mat, y'all. Nothing sticks to it, but I still like to add my oil anyway. Let me go ahead and get my scraper. This isn't the scraper I actually like, but all right, just gonna scrape out my dough here. So in the title, I specifically did not put Oreo cinnamon rolls because my wonderful fiance does not like cinnamon. So I'm making these Oreo rolls without any cinnamon in them. And I think they'll taste better because you get just the straight up Oreo flavor instead of some kind of mixed concoction. Gonna put a little bit of oil on here. Get my hand on that, and I'm gonna rub this oil on, what is this called? A rolling pin. So I prefer to use a French rolling pin. You can use whatever rolling pin you like. I just prefer this one. No rhyme or reason to it. All right, nice and flat. All right, I can take these off now. So, I have 220 grams of brown sugar here, and I'm going to mix that with 5 crushed up double stuffed Oreo cookies. Does it matter if it's double stuffed? No, I just purchased the double stuffed. You can purchase the regular ones and maybe use 6 of those cookies, but I'm adding the double stuffed in. So that is the cream, the whole cookie. So the cream and the cookie. Adding that into my brown sugar. I'm saving this because I will use this to crush up more Oreos later. Into our brown sugar and crushed up Oreo mix, I have 150 grams of mascarpone cheese going in. It's in this pot. I just melted it down because I like to have more of a liquidy kind of consistency when I'm putting on the sweet roll. I feel that liquid step makes the sweet roll inside more moisturized. So I don't skip that step. See if we can mix this up here without me needing to add butter. I also feel like the moist mixture is closer to what the bakery style cinnamon roll is. And in my original, cinnamon roll recipe, my thought process, you see how moist that is? My thought process was to make some kind of Cinnabon copycat or better cat. That's not a thing. Okay, so cinnamon, well, not cinnamon. I said cinnamon so many times now, I don't know what I'm making anymore. Our Oreo cookie and brown sugar mixture is on, and we're just going to use this small spatula to spread it out. You do not want your filling to go all the way to the edge, but as close as possible. Okay, I think that's all we're gonna get out of that. I am tempted to put more Oreos in this. Should I put more Oreos in this, y'all? I think I'm going to. So I'm going to crush up 3 Oreos, and then I'm gonna put those in chunky pieces. So we have some chunkier pieces of Oreo in. So you get a little crunchy bit when you bite in. Let's see, is it going out? Okay. Out, 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 out. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that's the whole cookie. I have to break that up. Out, 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 out. Out, out, out. This, let's break you up a little bit. Beautiful. All right, now we do our pizza cutter method. Oh, this would be the time to preheat your oven. I have to check what my temperatures are. It is 375 Fahrenheit for you guys, which would be, not gonna even try to do that math. It's 190. All right, so I was right the first time. 375 Fahrenheit for you guys is 190 for me. And if you are in Europe, it's 375 Celsius, 190 Fahrenheit. Or if you cook in Celsius, what other countries cook in Celsius?
Every country except America.
Okay, well, then Mr. Editor / cameraman can make fun of me and post all of those countries if he so desires to do that. But I'm not worried about the judgment because 98% of y'all are right over in the good old US of A, where I am from. Also, thank you to the 2% of y'all that are from the UK. Thank y'all for watching. I don't know what has inspired you to watch me cook, but thank you for being here. You see how pretty this is? When I was trying to roll this up in front of company and I had these 2 hyenas in my ear, I could not roll up my cinnamon rolls. They still turned out now. But I couldn't roll up my cinnamon rolls.
It was hilarious. Talk about messy.
Yeah, but this ain't messy.
No, messy.
All right, for my dairy-free friend, I am putting an oat milk on the top. And for the rest of them, I am doing heavy cream on the top. And of course, we're going to top these with a cream cheese frosting. If you want a cream cheese frosting, you can check out my carrot sheet cake video. You can check out my hummingbird cake video. There are lots of videos, lots of options. Just pick one and enjoy it. I will link my favorite cream cheese frosting recipe down below for you guys to see that. Okay. My oven heats in 90 seconds, so I did not preheat, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my temperature now. 90 degrees for me. It is a 20-minute cook time. Let me make sure of that because I am such an amateur today. 25 minutes. I will see you guys for the taste test. Okay, I'm going in and getting one of these sweet rolls out of here. Ooh. Okay, before I even dive into this, I am going to give this to Mr. Cameraman so he can show you guys before I have that first bite. Okay, let's have a bite and see what the damage is here. What do we do here? Whoa. My immediate thoughts. If you are old enough to know what Baskin-Robbins is, and you ever had the birthday cake or the cookies and cream ice cream from Baskin-Robbins, this tastes exactly like that.
Like the ice cream cake?
Yes. Yes, this tastes exactly like the cookies and cream. Oh my God. Must try. Skip the cinnamon roll, make this. Oh, I misspoke earlier about the temperature. It is 190 degrees Celsius and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 375. Oh, and for 25 minutes as well. If you are curious, I did not add the Oreos into the dough because if you add the Oreos into the dough, it will turn the dough gray, which is a great idea for spooky season, but it's not spooky season, so I did not do that step. And the Oreo flavor inside of the cinnamon roll, as well as topped on the top, is plenty. I hope you guys try this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.